this episode, the 10 most beautiful parrots in the world. Number 10. The black palm cockatoo. Native to the rainforests of New Guinea and surrounding islands, the black palm cockatoo is one of the largest cockatoo species. They are also known for their loud calls and impressive beak strength. Number 9. The yellow-headed Amazon. The yellow-headed Amazon is native to the forests of Mexico and Central America. These parrots are known for their ability to copy human speech. Don't swear too much around these birds. Number 8. The Moluccan cockatoo. The Moluccan cockatoo is one of the largest white cockatoos and are native to the Moluccan Islands in Indonesia. This species is highly intelligent and requires a lot of mental stimulation. Number 7. The Eclectus parrot. This parrot species is native to the Solomon Islands, New Guinea, and northeastern Australia. The males are vivid green, while the females are bright red. Number 6. The sun conure. Sun conures are found in northeast South America, Venezuela, northern Brazil, and Guyana. They are social and affectionate birds that thrive on interaction with their human caretakers. Number 5. The blue and yellow macaw. Native to South America, this macaw species is known for its vibrant blue and yellow plumage, loud calls, and long lifespan. It is highly social and often seen in flocks. Number 4. The quetzal. They are found in the cloud forests of Central America. The quetzal is renowned for its stunning long-tail feathers, which can reach up to 3 feet in length. Number 3. The rainbow lorikeet. These green, indigo, and orange parrots live along the eastern coast of Australia. The rainbow lorikeet displays a stunning array of colors, which might remind you of skills. Number 2. The scarlet macaw. These macaws are found in the tropical forests of Central and South America. With their wide, strong wings, they can reach speeds of 56 kilometers. That's 35 miles per hour. Number 1. The hyacinth macaw. Native to the rainforests of South America, the hyacinth macaw is the largest species of flying parrots. They frequently travel in small flocks of 1 to 8 pairs and loudly call to one another. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and make sure you tune in for the next episode. If you don't tune in for the next episode, I know where you live.